Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will try to understand Euler's angles. I'll try to explain with a simple football. Let me rotate this football. Can you tell me how much it has been rotated? To follow the rotation of the football, let me put a frame of reference on it. This is known as a body frame of reference. Let us see this rotation again. But if you notice, this body frame of reference sees no rotation. Let me just shade one part of the football and see this rotation again to make my point. See, no change. The yellow is exactly in the same spot as seen from this axis. To measure this rotation, what we need is another frame of reference. This time, let us place this frame of reference far away. This is known as space frame of reference. Now, when we rotate the football, we can see that the space frame of reference is seeing this rotation. We can try to rotate the space frame of reference to align with the body frame of reference and therefore calculate the rotation of the football. But first, let us throw away this football. Kaboosh! Now that the football is gone, let us first align these two frames of reference. To measure the rotation of the football, we can rotate the space frame of reference to make it match the body frame of reference. But how do we go about it? Should I first start rotating by x-axis or y-axis or z-axis? I might need to make multiple rotation, and it seems we have multiple options. Euler's angles help us to bring down the number of possible rotations to just 3. To measure or achieve any rotation, we need only 3 rotations known as Euler's angles. Let me demonstrate it for you. Let us rotate the space frame of reference along its z-axis by an angle phi. This angle is known as precision. For the second angle, we will rotate the new frame of reference along its x-axis by an angle theta. This angle is known as rotation. Finally, we will rotate the new frame of reference along its z-axis again by an angle psi. This angle is known as nutation. Voila! We have matched the football's rotations. All we did was rotate along z by phi, rotate along x by theta, rotate along z again by psi. These 3 angles are known as Euler's angles. They help us achieve or measure any angle of rotation. For the mathematics of Euler's angles, stay tuned to this channel. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Importantly, keep smiling.